My name is Mig Cardamone. I'm the Sales Director for Sennheiser Middle East. So we're showcasing our unified communications solutions from the business communications portfolio. So this is really a suite of solutions for any size meeting room, lecture hall, auditoriums, etc. We're very happy to win the GEC award. It recognises the technology and the solutions that we provide in this particular space, and obviously very happy to be presenting this at GITEX on the booth. So Sennheiser is a family-owned company based in Germany with nearly 80 years of experience in audio. So what we bring to our customers at the beginning is really the importance of audio. And I think when we're talking to our customers here, we see how important it is that we are able to provide the best audio intelligibility in this class, as well as all the other advanced features that we come to expect in this particular sector. Sure, I mean, AI is obviously a very hot topic, and actually we have some features in our latest addition to the Team Connect family. So we're presenting on our booth the Team Connect bars, and in that is some AI features which allow for things like auto framing, auto tiling, the kind of things that one expects now in this particular sector. But I think we're presenting with a solution that again focuses on the audio part, but also the ease of use.